guys, here is the city of Atlanta, Wagyu House, and tonight Jacknkings ice cream night is gonna be held here. We got so many influencers, good food, good ice cream, and we are gonna have a good night here. At Jacknkings ice cream night, more than 100 influencers, dozens of partners, and community members gathered to enjoy a fun evening of creative ice cream and Wagyu dishes. Guests were impressed by Jacknkings' new product, from their unique design to exciting flavor, makes the night a joyful celebration of food, creativity, and community.
Actually, this event is made for the Jacknkings new item business, just for ice creams. Actually, before we do ready meals, it's made for Asian peoples. But we think Asian people nationality is only maybe 3% or 5% of whole the U.S. population. So we try to do all of the U.S. business. Every people like ice creams. No matter winter time, summertime, like ice cream, so we do ice creams. Actually, we totally have 100 kind of innovation new ice creams. It's a fruit ice cream, it's a Cambridge ice cream, and also we have the donut ice cream. Totally the new ice cream. It's a difference with Haagen-Dazs Ben Jerry. It's totally new innovation, more social media. People like it, young people like it. Right now we only have the 20-30 SQ items, but in future we have many new ice cream. And also we have football ice cream, soccer ice creams. We also invest money about $1 million, do the ice cream for free, and also a FIFA ticket for our fans, ice cream fans. That's why we do that.
My father has been doing this for many years, and it has been his dream, and I'm very happy to see his dream come true. Well, for Jacknkings, what it means to me is to treat our customers, or my father's customers, as kings or queens. We are to really help them out, and it's kind of our thing. It's like just serve for the people.
Jack is my friend, and we selling his products. So I want to come and congratulate him for the new ice cream line. Very successful, well received. We have 6 stores, one of which is Asian store, the others are American international. The products in our store, even though it's not an Asian store, still very well received. So I think his line of ice cream, the products are very different. It has a lot of things that the current market doesn't have. It will become very popular, not only just for the Asian.
How long have you been working with Jacknkings?
This year. I started this year, early this winter.
How do you feel about it?
I feel good. I feel it has a great trajectory. It's growing very strongly in the market, and I'm glad to be a part of it.
So as a wholesaler's perspective, do you see the market potential for the creative ice cream in the U.S. market?
Yes, it's very innovative. There's nothing on the market like it, and they're definitely breaking the walls, so to speak, in creating new lines and new segments of the market altogether. It's very appealing.
So we are here for, of course, Jacknkings. It's a big name now all over. I mean, we are his customer in Florida. In very short time, we got the market. Everybody knows the brand. It's a big brand and very good quality stuff.
Yeah, I've seen the new items coming up in the stock, which is that what we brought us here to see, different flavors that Jacknkings brought. We started from scratch in Florida, and Jacknkings, it might be one of the first customers that work with Jacknkings in Florida. It's our company, Global Gate. In a short time and very shrink time, we hit the target that we need, and we're still running in the big target that Jacknkings looking for.
It's a new fab that everybody's jumping on, the different flavors, the different designs, the different look of the ice cream makes people wonder, like it's not just your normal vanilla ice cream that you're buying in a bucket, So when you're looking at stuff like that, the creativity of having the chicken ice cream in a bucket, the different things, the different shapes, the different flavors, makes people interested in purchasing it. Retail stores, supermarkets, C-stores will do a great job with this item.
Actually, my headquarters say this is a very important event, so I have to take the event too. So that's why I came here. This kind of a very unique ice cream is a very popular item in H-Mart, not only Asian. This is almost the #1 item. It started last year. My boss said this is very important. Yeah, that's why I came here. I have to look around every ice cream, so I have to prepare it.
commercial and the branding standpoint, what does the Jacknkings ice cream stand out for the short video and the photo content?
Honestly, everything is about image, right? And everything is about how something presents itself. And it presents itself in a way that I trust, which is fruit. And then it has the dessert. Like it has the sweetness of it. So it's a win-win on all sides. This is the flavor we love. This is the flavor we like. This is the flavor that works for this moment. Like just genuinely being invested in what we're doing.
Have you tried any of the ice cream here today?
Yes, I've tried the peach one. Oh, I love that. That's probably my favorite. Yeah, that's my favorite right now. I love peach and I love mango, so I immediately go for those flavors.
I'm excited. I'm really happy to be here because I love trying new things. So I wanted to try specifically the mango flavor. So hopefully I can see if I can get some over here. Or the fried chicken. There's a fried chicken flavor. So I'm here to try some new things and see how it tastes.
So as a content creator and also an influencer, do you think this like really unique and creative ice cream is gonna like brings the heat on the social media?
Oh, absolutely. Branding is everything. So I love that we see the shape of the fruit, and because we see what it looks like, we know what it tastes like. It's fun, it's vibrant, it's gonna catch your attention. I still can't get over the fried chicken one. That's definitely gonna grab some attention. I think it's gonna be so fun.
So today is a Jacknkings ice cream night. How do you feel about it so far?
Hey, we feeling good, man. We ain't even taste the ice cream yet, but we love the display. We loving it. We loving it.
And what do you think about this like beautiful, beautiful ice cream here?
Love it. Honestly, it makes me want to eat everything.
Yes.
Everything.
Have you tasted any of it yet?
Not yet, but I'm ready to try everything though. Delicious, yum, yum, yum.
Last question, have you ever seen like this kind of 3D fruit ice cream before?
I never did. I never seen it in my life. Never seen it in my life.
How do you feel about it?
I feel good. I'm ready to. I'm gonna try it all. Try it all. I'm ready.
Hey guys, how are you doing today?
How are you? Doing amazing.
I noticed you guys got some ice cream. What do you think about it?
I didn't get to try it yet. Actually, I'm about to try it right now.
Have you ever seen like this kind of the ice cream before?
I done seen people like review it on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube, but never personally seen it myself in person. So it's kind of dope to actually see it in person. So I'm gonna give it a try and hopefully I enjoy it.
Well, it's a great event. We know the Jack brothers. They have done a lot for our community. They are entrepreneurs that are specialized in restaurant and ice cream industry. So right now, today, they have a great event here. I hope it'll grow to a very wonderful business.
Even more exciting, customers who purchase selected Jacknkings ice cream product can receive a scratch-off card for a chance to win FIFA ticket and other prizes. At ice cream night, several lucky guests had already become FIFA ticket winners.
I don't know, but I'm so happy with my tickets.
Ah, you won FIFA ticket, right?
Yes, amazing, amazing.
Do you like FIFA?
I love them. Colombia will be the champion this year. I know that. I'm very happy working with them. I have like 3 months working with the brand, but I'm very happy. Everybody loves them. We have more than 500 stores, and everybody loves the product in their store.
With music, great food, laughter, and a sweet moment in every single bite, Jacknkings Ice Cream Night wrapped it up on a high note. For Jacknkings, the night was more than a celebration. It was a true reflection of the Jack's promise. Make every single customer feel special, valued, and treated like a king.
Jacknkings!